Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Habibatul Utsma. Here, I will present about consumer behavior on the perspective of halal food in Suzuya Superstore Medan. Abstract summary. This paper aims understanding customer behavior and subjective norms in consuming halal food at Suzuya Superstore Medan. This is quantitative research with 50 respondents consisting of Suzuya Superstore Medan customers. They were chosen through an accidental sampling approach. Introduction. The objective of the research. This paper aims at understanding customers' behavior and subjective norms in consuming halal food at Suzuya Superstore Medan. The problem of the research. The high prices reduce the possibility of consumers to buy products. It causes the consumer to buy product. It causes the consumer chance over other brands. Other studies show that prices directly influence the purchase of halal products among people with lower incomes. This research was conducted because of the researchers' concern in seeing the development of halal products which got little attention from the public. In the halal perspective, a consumer must have in-depth knowledge of products. They will buy products as they wish. A consumer can buy a halal product based on the attitudes and subjective norms. Literature review halal product. The Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Assessment, the Institute of the Indonesian Ulama Council, states that halal product must fulfill the halal requirements to Islamic Sharia. And according to the GPH law, halal product is the product declared halal by Islamic law, and the guarantee of halal products is legal certainty about the halal status of a product as evidenced by halal certifications. Halal food products. In the Quran, it is mentioned about halal and haram food products which are guidelines for Muslims in consuming them. Namely, 1. Tayyib's food. The word tayyib means delicious, good, healthy, applying, and most of all. In the context of food, tayyib means clean food in terms of its substance or expressions are mixed with unclean objects. 2. The characteristics of halal food products are A. Halal substance. Halal food is halal for consumption. Halal how to get it. B. To get halal product can also be seen from how to get it. C. How to process it. How to process a product is also one of the characteristics of the halal or haram food. D. How to present to save. None characteristic ensue from the way each present how the product transported until the goods are consumed. Consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the process and activity when someone deals with the search, selections, purchase, and evaluations of products and services to meet their needs and desires. Consumer behavior is consumer who makes decisions to purchase. Edwin Mustafa. Consumer behavior theory studies how humans choose the various choices they face by analyzing the research. In Islam, consumer behavior must think of his relationship with God, or hablum minallah, and humans hablum minannas. Human behavior becomes a benchmark in living his daily life and everything is regulated in Islam. Theory of Rational Actions. Theory of Rational Action, or TRI, was developed by Fishbein and Acheson. Theory of Rational Actions is a model for predicting interest and behavior. This model includes the prediction of interest and behavior from subjective attitudes and norms. Is the field or marketing TRI is applied to explain that consumers' purchase behavior determined by its intention to make purchases, as well as subjective attitudes and norms that influence behavior intentions. 1. Attitudes. Fishbein and Acheson state the attitude is the overall someone feeling towards something like or dislike. 2. Subjective norms. According to Acheson and Trevor in Munandar, subjective norms are one's feelings or predictions of people's expectations in his life regarding whether certain behaviors are done or not. The presentation that I can explain if there are shortcomings or mistakes. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching this video and see you again.